this is my day one, the end of my day one. Uh, yeah, I was not prepared for this. And to be honest, when I had the first meet that brought me here, I figured it can't be what they say it is. It's some sales pitch there somewhere. Never expected this. My entire perception, everything that I thought I knew is absolutely out the window. And if they never had a day two or day three, day one would have been so rich that I could just walk away with day one and still feel happy. So yeah, I had an amazing day. It was long, but it was interesting the entire journey, the entire way. Time just flew by like it was amazing. So big ups. I'm excited about day two. I'm gonna get some rest. I can't wait to see what you guys are bringing on day two. Let's get it. Let's get it.